What if I told you? There's a bird that flies from the Arctic all the way to Antarctica and back every year. Meet the Arctic Tern, nature's ultimate globetrotter. This tiny bird pulls off the longest migration on Earth, covering up to 44,000 miles annually. It crosses entire oceans, dodging storms, predators, and exhaustion, just to chase endless summer. From the icy north to the frozen south, it literally sees 2 summers a year. More daylight than any other creature alive. Oh, and did we mention, it does this journey for 30 years straight. That's over 1 million miles flown, the distance of 2 trips to the moon and back. This isn't just a bird, it's a feathered legend. Hit like if you're mind blown and follow for more wild wonders of nature.